Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear your search history or basically your entire Reddit viewing history over on the Reddit app. So if you just basically want to clear your activity on Reddit, then all you need to do is open the Reddit app just like this. And you want to go to inbox at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you've done that you can simply go to the top right corner of your screen right here and click on your profile picture, and then you need to click on settings right here and scroll a little bit down till you find clear local history. If you click on that, your entire history will be closed just like this, and it will say local history cleared just like that. When you then click on this X and you want to go to the top right corner again, when you right now go into history, your entire history will be empty, and that's basically how you can clear your search history or just your entire Reddit activity over on the Reddit app. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.